This is a roballo. Got everything pretty much buttoned up. The color is not my best match. I'll admit that. Does actually match a bit better forward than it does on the after the repair. Kind of is what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and polish this up. I'm not gonna go too crazy. The bolt has a lot of oxidation in it, so just gonna hit it with a little bit of compound and some finesse it. Good stuff. So basically this compound is 1500 grit. Just kind of rub it in. Until it's not there anymore, basically. Finesse it on there. Yeah, not the best exchange of color right there. Not too bad on the side. Faded different. Put a little wax on that too. Shouldn't be bad. Put a pinstripe on it. So, I don't know, although this repair has come out pretty decent, I don't think that I'm very happy with the overall outcome. So, I think what I'm going to do, since things are getting pretty cold up this way, and I barely got this gel coat on, I let it set up for a week, and I mean, it's polishing out good, everything's good about the gel coat, but unfortunately it's not the best color. So what I'm going to do is just have the customer pick it up. I'll give him, leave him with a balance or whatever. He doesn't have to pay right away, and then I'll just have him come back in like February or March, unless I have room for a week or something inside, which I've only got room for one boat, and I'm pretty booked up. But I don't know, maybe I can get him inside. If I can do that, I will. So I don't know. I was hoping to finish up this series of videos, but you know, it is what it is. This deserves a respray. That's looking like dog shit. You can see the top looks, you know, decent. That's passable. But this is, it looks like dog shit. It is what it is, right? So, that's what I'll do. I will respray it, but it's just not gonna work outside out here with it being, you know, between 20 and 40 degrees regular. So I don't know. Again, if you actually made it this far, you know, thanks for watching. Please click that like button, and yeah, this will continue in a few months. Thanks.